Hey guys, this is an HP NV6555E printer. I'm going to be unboxing it today so you can see what's included in the box and what the printer looks like. For the past 5 years, HP has been putting out these HP NV printers that look very similar to this one, but they didn't have a screen. It's an all-in-one printer, but it didn't have a screen. Now, HP decided to return the screen, and that's a good thing. Because with an all-in-one printer, you don't want to always use your phone to do every function on there, except when you want to print off your phone, of course. Today, we're unboxing this printer and doing the basic setup. Ink cartridges, power supply cord. Here's our screen. It's a touch screen control panel. The scanner and the scanner module right here. Go ahead and lift this up. Remove all the blue tape. Let's go ahead and plug it in and check it out. The power button is right here. This right here, I really don't know why they always have the sticker over it, which says USB and crossed out. It's a USB port that works. So I'm not sure what the idea behind this sticker is. I'll research it later and maybe let you know. But this is a fully working USB port if you want to hardwire it to your computer. Select your language and region. There's a QR code that pops up to scan to continue the setup. I'm gonna skip that for now. Let's just go ahead and install the ink cartridges. Open the top cover. Install the ink cartridge. You're just gonna go ahead and open this package. Shake the cartridge a little bit. Remove this tab right here. This is the black cartridge. Goes into the black. Here we see a black strip and there's a multicolor strip right there. Just push it in like that. Same process for the color cartridge. Move that. Shake it about 6 times. Remove this tab. And then just kind of slide the cartridge in and push it up like that. Go ahead and close the top cover and see what the screen says now. So it let us do the setup without connecting to our phone yet. It's asking for the paper right now. Let's go ahead and load paper. Paper tray is right here. The screen says that the paper has been successfully loaded. Press OK. And it says that the new HP cartridges are installed. Go ahead and press OK. And it's going to do the alignment, which is a normal process. This is the quick start guide that comes with it, which goes through basically the same steps that we just did to plug it in, location and your language selection. Then you scan the QR code and continue your setup, which is basically going to tell you all the stuff that it does at this point. I do plan on making a wireless setup video for this printer, and I'll post the link in the description below. Let's go ahead and open this catch tray. So here's the alignment page. Now the printer is asking to place the alignment page on the scanner. This is going to be this side down. You see the instructions on how to place it inside the printer. This corner has the arrow, and that's the corner that we need to place. This is the top of the page, so this corner will be in here. Press the scan button on your screen, and then it'll start doing the alignment, and it'll show you the progress. Cartridge alignment complete. Okay. The copy, scan, supplies functions are on the main screen. If you press supplies, it'll tell you the ink levels. If you want to do a copy, you're going to press copy, and then document copy. Has the document feeder tray right here. Scan and copy documents from the feeder or from the glass top. This is the output tray. The screen is awesome. It's very nice color and very responsive. If we open the top cover, it's pretty straightforward. This is the jam axis. Hopefully you won't have to ever use this, but just in case, this is where you remove any paper jams. They could be here or here, or you just need to make sure this is all closed. In cartridges, access is pretty simple. It's got a really nice design. You're gonna like the way it looks. I like it. That's what you're gonna get right out of the box when you buy an HP Envy 6555E printer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where I post printer reviews, printer repair tips, unboxing, and other printer related stuff.